श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः बच्चों, मैं आप सभी का ऑनलाइन टीचिंग एकेडमी एकलव्य में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज कक्षा 7 के लिए एक पद सिखाने वाली हूँ। उससे पहले ये बताइए बच्चों, ये कौन है बच्चों? हाँ, ये तो सूरदास है। ये तो एक कवि है, एक संत है और महान संगीतकार भी है। संगीतकार का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? दैट इज म्यूजिक कंपोजर एज वेल एज इज अ सेंट। ओके, संत मीन्स सेंट। इनकी रचनाओं में कौन सा वर्णन मिलता है? यस, यस, डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट whom in his creations children? यस, श्री कृष्ण के बारे में उन्हें वर्णन किया है। ठीक है बच्चों, अभी पता चले मैं क्या लेने वाली हूँ। हाँ, CBSE बोर्ड का कक्षा 7 के लिए एक पद सिखाने वाली हूँ। उसके पहले कवि का परिचय सुनिए बच्चों। कवि परिचय। भक्ति काल की कृष्ण भक्ति शाखा के प्रमुख कवि सूरदास का जन्म ब्रिज प्रदेश के रुणकता नामक ग्राम में सन 1479 में हुआ था। इनकी प्रसिद्ध रचनाएं हैं सूरसाहर, साहित्य लहरी, सूरसारावली। सन 1580 में पारसौली नामक स्थान पर इनका स्वर्गवास हो गया। Therefore, here भक्ति काल means that is era. This काल means era, children. Belongs to that era and is a famous poet, and he has born in रुणकता नामक ग्राम, that is in village, in 1479. इनकी प्रसिद्ध रचनाएं means his compositions are सूरसाहर, साहित्य लहरी and सूरसारावली. सन 1580, that is in 1580, he died in the place पारसौली. ठीक है बच्चों, अभी इसका सारांश सुनिए बच्चों। सूरदास का कृष्ण के प्रति अगाध प्रेम था। अगाध प्रेम मीन्स दैट इज डीप लव, यार डीप लव फॉर लॉर्ड कृष्णा। इसलिए प्रथम पद में उन्होंने ईश्वर की महिमा का वर्णन किया है। Therefore, he has described about the God's महिमा. Okay, and then in that para, जिन्होंने जिसकी कृपा से, भगवान की कृपा से असंभव कार्य भी संभव हो जाता है। असंभव कार्य का मतलब क्या है? That is the impossible task also will become possible if we pray to God. Like that he has written in his first पद। और दूसरा पद में उन्होंने माता यशोदा के प्रेम और वात्सल्य के बारे में बताया है और श्री कृष्ण की लीलाएं भी बताया है उनमें। दैट इज he has written the childhood activities of Lord Krishna and the affection and love for his mother Yashoda. The name of the poem is सूरदास के पद। अब पहला पद पढ़ेंगे बच्चों। चरण कमल बंदौ अरिपाई, जाकी कृपा पंग गिरी लंगे, अंधे कौ सब कछु दर्शाई, बहिरौ सुने कूंग पुनि बोले, रंक चले सिर छत्र धराई, सूरदास स्वामी करुणामय बार बार बंदौ तिहि पाई। यहाँ पर चरण का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? चरण मीन्स फूट, दैट इज द लेग ऑफ द गॉड। हिंदी में पग भी कहा जाता है बच्चों। कमल का मतलब क्या है? लोटस। बंदो हरिपाई, बंदो का मतलब वंदना करना, टू वर्शिप द गॉड, टू प्रे द गॉड। Here, the Kavi says that he praised the God who has a lotus feet. Who has a lotus feet? Lord Krishna as a lotus feet, isn't it? Jaki kripa pangu kiri lange. Jaki means jiski. See, it belongs to 15th century children, therefore there are odd words there. And kripa means mercy. Because of his mercy, what will happen? Pangu kiri lange, giri lange. That is, pangu means the disabled person or a crippled person also you can say. Okay? Lange means what? Langna, to cross. और अंधे, अंधे का मतलब क्या है? ब्लाइंड. को कौ सब कछु दर्शाई. दर्शाई means it will be visible. You can see everything if he prays to God Krishna. That is what he says. Andhe means blind. Sab kuch means you will see all things. Okay children. And bahirav sune. Bahirav का मतलब क्या है? Deaf. Deaf will listen. And kungupuni bole. Kung का मतलब dumb. That person will also speak if he prays to God Krishna. Bole means speak. रंक चले सिर छत्र धराई. रंक का मतलब कंगाल, दरिद्र. आप लोग यहाँ देखते हैं ना, इतने a poor person is known as कंगाल, रंक. Okay children. और चले सिर छत्र धराई. सिर का मतलब head. रंक का मतलब कंगाल. छत्र धराई. छत्र का मतलब crown. Darai means धारण करके, wearing that. सूरदास स्वामी करुणामय. सूरदास की स्वामी कौन है बच्चों? लॉर्ड कृष्णा. ठीक है. करुणामय. करुणामय means he is very compassionate. He has mercy in them, and whoever asks whatever they ask from God, he will give to us, it seems. Like that, Surdas has a love with that Swami. Karunamai means compassionate. बार बार बंदो तिही पाई. तिही means उनकी. किसकी? उनकी. कौन है उनकी? ईश्वर है ना, भगवान श्री कृष्ण. Therefore, Surdas ji says that Lord Krishna is very compassionate, and if we pray to him again and again, he will make the impossible thing also to a possible one. Okay children, यहाँ पर कवि तो कहते हैं कि भगवान के कमल चरणों की को वंदना करते हैं और कहते हैं कि पंगु वो क्या करेगा? पंगु तो पर्वत को पार करेगा, और अंधे भी सब कुछ देखेगा, और बहरा भी सब कुछ सुनेगा, और गूंगा भी बोलेगा. किसकी वजह से? श्री कृष्ण की वजह से. और उसे बार बार वंदना करने में, वो तो बहुत करुणामय देव है, इसलिए उन्हें बार बार वंदना करने में हमें सब कुछ मिल जाता है. ठीक है बच्चों, आगे चलें. किलकत कान्हा गुटुरु वनी आवत, मणिमय कनक नंद के आंगन, बिम पकरी बई दावत, कबहू निरखी हरि आपू, चाग कौ कर सौ पकरन, चाहत किलकी असत साजति द्वैद्वतियां, पुनी पुनी तिही अवगाहत. यहाँ पर किलकत का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? that is squealing. Usually the children, what they do, they cannot speak. Therefore, how they will express their feelings? They will shout with joy to make a noise out of enjoyment. That is kilakat. Kanha is nothing but the other name for Sri Krishna. Guturuvani avat. Guturuvani means he is crawling. That is, he is walking in his knees and in his hands. Okay, that is Guturuvani. That is घुटनों के बल में. Avat means arriving. Who is arriving? Lord Krishna is coming. That too, how he is coming? He is crawling and coming. Kilakat means to make noise. Otherwise, you can say squeal. Kanha is nothing but Lord Krishna. Gutu Ruvini means Gutno ke bal se. That he is walking in his knees. Avat means arrives. He comes like that. Therefore, he is crawling on the ground. Let us see where he crawls. Manimai kanak nand ke aangan bim pakri bai dawat. Manimai का मतलब क्या है? Pearls. Kanak means gold. Can you say the Paryayavachi for Kanak, children? That is Swarn Sona. The other names for Kanak. Nand ke Angan. Angan means the courtyard, the front portion of the house. Bimb Pakri bai Dawat. Bimb means the shadow, the reflection of Lord Krishna. Pakri bai means pakadna, to catch. He catches his own image. In Hindi it is pakadna. That is, the angan is made up of, the courtyard is made up of gold and the pearls are studded on it, and what he does, he crawls on it, and when he sees the image on the floor, he he runs to catch his own shadow. Davat means daudna, to run. Therefore, Lord Krishna is running to catch his own shadow. Kabhu niraki ari apu chag kau kar sau pakaran chahat. Kabhu means kabhi. Sometimes it is kabhi, children. What happens? Niraki means look. Dekhna. Hari Apu. Hari means God. Apu means he is himself. Chag means shadow. Kaukar. Kar का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? हाथ. Hath means hand. Sau pakaran chahat. Pakaran means what? To catch. Therefore, what he does? Seeing his shadow, he goes and catches the shadow, but what he does? He laughs again because he cannot catch his shadow. Kilaki asat sajati dwain. Kilaki means what? He squeals again. Since he cannot able to catch that image, he squeals again. And asat means he laughs. Sajati. Sajati का मतलब decorated, सुशोभित होना. Okay, children. And dwai means two. Datiya means teeth. Puni means punaha. That is again and again what he did. Tihi avahagat. That is tihi means unki. Avahagat means is opening. Okay, what he is doing is, when he sees his own image on the floor, he runs to catch that image. Kilaki asad sajati dvai dathiya puni tihi avagahat. Therefore, when he laughs, when he squeals, that time is two teeth. What you see here? The teeth of the God. Therefore, the two teeth, it looks very beautiful, and he shows his teeth again and again when he laughs. Okay, बच्चों, यहाँ पर कवि तो कहते हैं कि कान्हा किलकारी मारते हुए नंद के आंगन में दौड़ता है, तब अपनी छाया को देखकर, अपनी परिचाई को देखकर उसे पकड़ने जाते हैं. तब जब वह हंसता है तब दो दतियां में द टू टीथ बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों. You can see the shadow of the Lord Krishna, and you can see the 2 teeth. Okay children, and here he crawls on the ground. Next पद, कनक भूमि पर कर पग छाया, यह उपमा एक राज थी, प्रतिकर प्रतिपद प्रतिमान, वसुधा वसुधा कमल बैठकी साजती, बाल दशा सुख निरखी, जशोदा पुनि पुनि नंद बुलावती, आचरा तरले डांकी, सूर के प्रभु को दूध पियावती. Kanak, as I told already, Kanak means gold, that is Sona. Bhumi, Bhumi means the land or earth. Par kar pag chaya, kar means I said already the heart, the hand, and pag means the leg. Chaya, chaya means shadow. Chaya also shadow only, Bimb also shadow only children, and Parchayi also shadow. And Vag Upama Ik Rajati, Upama means simile. Therefore, the poet gets a beautiful simile in his mind. Rajati means come, Ik means one. Okay. Pratikar Pradibar, Pratikar means Pratyek At. Pratyek At means each hand. Or Pratipad, Pratipad means Arpag par, that is his leg. Pratiman Vasudha, therefore he compares with that Vasudha. Vasudha is the earth, the model earth. Kamal Baitaki Sajati, Kamal means lotus, Baitaki means seat, Asan. Therefore, what she does means this Datti ki Mata, she provides a seat for Lord Krishna, for his leg and hand. Okay, children. Pratikar means for each hand, Pratibad means for each leg. What she is doing, this Vasudha, this Datti Mata, what she is doing, she is providing a lotus seat to Lord Krishna. Like that he imagines. Okay children, the Kavi imagines in this pad. Bal Dasa Sukh Niraki Jashoda. Bal Dasa means the childhood, the childish play of Lord Krishna. Sukh means what? Seeing that, who is very happy? Sukh means happy. Who is happy? Jashoda, that is Yashoda. His mother was very happy. Niraki means looking to that. She was very happy. And Puni Puni Nand Bulavati. Puni Puni means what? Again and again she is calling Nand Baba. Who is Nand Baba? Krishna's father. Okay children? Bal Dasa means childish. Sukh means happy. She is very happy to see the Krishna playing in the courtyard. Niraki means look, Dekhna. Jashoda, that is Yashoda, that is the mother of Lord Krishna. Puni Puni, I said no, Puni Puni means again and again. She is calling whom? Nand Baba. Okay children? Achara Tarle Danki. Achara ka matlab pallu. You can see this pallu, isn't it? This is known as Achara. Tarle Danki. Danki means covered, Takna. Tarle, tar means it is fully covered. And Sur Ke Prabhu, who is Sur Ke Prabhu? Sur is nothing but the poet, Surdas. Prabhu, Prabhu means God, that is God of Surdas. Who is God of Surdas? Lord Krishna. Ko Doodh Piyavadis. Therefore, she is feeding milk to Lord Krishna. Therefore, why she is doing so? To get rid of evil eyes. That's what it is shown here, because usually we will feed the children like that only to avoid the evil eyes of others. Okay children? Therefore she is feeding Lord Krishna and she is fully covering him to avoid the evil eyes. यहाँ पर कनक भूमि पर श्री कृष्ण अपने हाथ और पग की परिचाई पढ़ती है, तब कवि के मन में एक सुंदर उपमा आती है. वो क्या है कि धरती माता हर पग पर, हर हाथ पर क्या करती है? कमल का आसन सजाती है. और इस दशा को देखकर, इस दृश्य को देखकर माता यशोदा पुलकित होकर मीन्स व्हाट, शी इज बिकमिंग वेरी हैप्पी और बार बार नंद बाबा को बुलाती है। देखो शी इज कॉलिंग नंद बाबा। अक्षरा दरले की वाइल शी इज फीडिंग, वे कृष्ण को दूध पिलाते समय अपने अचरा को क्या करती है, हो ढक करके किसी की नजर न लगाने की तरह दूध पिलाती है। Okay children, did you like this poem children? You have some difficult words. If you read 2 to 3 times it will be easy for you children. हम भी भक्तिकालीन पदों को पढ़कर ईश्वर की महिमा और उनकी कृपा से मग्न हो जाएं। अगली कक्षा में मिलेंगे बच्चों। टू रिसीव आवर ऑनलाइन लेसन्स प्लीज प्रेस सब्सक्राइब बटन टू रिसीव द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स। धन्यवाद बच्चों।